Hello, everybody. Welcome to NJ Kelly Gardner. I am NJ Kelly Gardner, and today, we have three new additions to our garden. But most importantly, we need to go ahead and feed our garden, and also we need to basically just do a little cleanup, in our garden because it's looking a hot mess back here, y'all. And let's get started. All right, y'all. So right here is our zinnias, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove them and transplant them somewhere else because I want to put some more food right here for our winter months, and we just need the extra space, to be honest, y'all. So we're gonna move them right now. It may go into shock. I'm not sure, but we're gonna find out later on. But the earlier we do this, the better. So let's get started. Hey y'all, I just realized something. It was really, really difficult to get this out. And I just realized why. The mycorrhiza that was in this mixed in was attached, and that's a good thing. Look how big this is, y'all. Wow. And imagine this was in the ground. I hope I did not destroy this. Okay. Here's another one. I want to show y'all something. I'm gonna move this, but check this out, y'all. Can you see that soil? Look how good that soil looks from the wood chips and whatnot. Amazing. Amazing, 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 amazing. Okay. Put y'all back. So we're gonna go ahead, y'all, now. We're gonna go ahead now and move these out the way, y'all. Alright. So this flower here, this color here, this is my favorite color. Well, not my favorite color, but my favorite color of one of the zinnias that we have grown thus far, that I have seen from this variety. But this color here, I don't know which color this is, but it's alright. If it mismatch, I'm just gonna plant it here in the memorial container. And remember, this is where our Mayan lemon used to be. Here's one more. It may go to shock, y'all. I don't know. I'm gonna water it. All right, y'all. So we have 3 new additions. Excuse me. To our garden here. The first one is dill. Okay. The second one is Greek oregano. And the third one is sage. Now, you can grow these things anytime. A lot of individuals grow it in the summer, excuse me, in the spring, early spring. I decided to wait until the late summer going into the fall to start. We grew sage before, we grew dill before, we grew oregano, and we learned in our garden that it's a certain time and a certain season you want to do this. But we're gonna try it again, and so they are perennial. And we love perennials in our garden here, in the Cali Garden family. And so we're gonna get them planted, and I'm not gonna waste no time because it's getting hot out here, y'all. So we're gonna turn around and get started. All right, y'all. So basically, if y'all missed it, I don't know what happened, but basically, we went ahead and fertilized it with some rock dust and some EB Stone fertilizer in that container over there. And now we're about to plant in these containers here. And what we're going to do is basically very quickly, if I can, get each one planted as fast as we can. Put my gloves back on. All right, see that, y'all? I'm gonna tell you guys right now that I'm not gonna put any rock dust. I mean, not rock dust, but any mycorrhizae in it. Thank you, plant, for being healthy. And now this don't look the best, but I said, you know what? We're gonna pick this anyway because you can always nurture your perennial vegetables or herbs and whatnot. And if you take good care of it, it'll be just fine. You can fertilize it. You can use compost. You can use a liquid fertilizer, nitrogen, which is your seaweed kelp or fish fertilizer. It's something about the sea, God. Oof. I'm not gonna get into that. Anyway, what you want to do is, you can tell it was getting a little bit root bound, just a little bit. Just tickle the roots just to get them awoke. And as I'm doing this, I just wanna, like so. And I like to just lift it up like a pony, like I'm about to make a ponytail. All right, for those who do hair, you know how it is. Or you have your own hair. Like I told you, this may not look the best that we picked, but I said I want to test it out and give it a try anyway, because there are some damaged leaves, And sage doesn't like to be so wet, so you don't want to overwater sage. You want it in a nice, I believe it said full sun. Actually, no, sun apart shade. So this is gonna go in our part sun part shade area. That's definitely gonna happen because last year we planted where our 20-gallon container is. It didn't do well at all. It did full sun, and so we learned from that, and it died. This is, need some more soil, and I could actually put this a little bit further down the container, but I don't want to do too much and disturb the root system here. That one is done. Okay. I I'm so excited for this. I'm gonna hurry up because I want to attend to my family and have some fun. So one thing about sage too, by the way, before we get started with the deal, is that sage is a great herb to use. Some people use it to make tea, but one thing you can do with sage, you can use it as a in your meats such as chicken, lamb, where you're making sausage. It's a great meat herb, and it's also a great pest protector, or it protects, certain pests basically from getting into your vegetables from pests. Blah, 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 blah. Y'all know what I'm saying. I'm having a hard time right now, y'all. But dill is great as well. It also deter your cabbage flies, such as from carrots and stuff like that. It really, for some reason, it boosts up carrots. You would think that dill is related to carrots because of the ferns, the leaves. Also, you would think it's the same thing with fennel. But dill is a nice pickling herb. It was great for your even your vinaigrettes. When you're making a vinaigrette, which is your dressing, salad dressing, this is a great herb to use for pickling, making vinaigrettes, and also using with fish like your salmon, your whiting, tilapia, your shark, tuna. Let's see what else we got. Snapper, red snapper, blue snapper, even with certain like shellfish, like crab. This is a great light but licorice herb that you can use. Now it's not really that licorice of a taste, but you can tell it's related into that family when your palate is very, very cleansed and whatnot. I have to remove some of this soil here. All right, so I'm gonna use this as a scoop right now, and all we're gonna do is backfill it.